Hey YouTube, today we have another tree unboxing. I got this one from One Green World. You can see there on the box. And this one came in today. It's supposed to be 2 pineapple guavas. So let's open it up and see what they look like. Okay, so I took all the staples away from the other side of the box, and let's see what it looked like. Okay, so as you can see, it's 2 pots in here, and let me take them out. Okay, let's get into the specifics. The one on the left is called a Nikita, and the one on the right is called a Mammoth. As you can see here on the tag, it says Mammoth Pineapple Guava. So I decided to get 2 more of these because I have one in the back that's already in ground. It's a pineapple guava seedling, but there are different varieties. Like One Green World right now have maybe like 10 or 12 different kinds on their website. So it was hard for me to pick 2, very hard. Like if I had, more options, I probably would have chose like 5, but I just said, you know what? I don't think I need more than 3, so let me just get 2. So let's talk about the specifics. The one on the left again is Nikita. It's from Ukraine. It's compact. It only gets 5 to 6 feet. And the one on the right is called Mammoth again. It gets 8 to 12 feet. So it's a big height difference with this one. And the flower petals are edible, and that's for both. Both of these plants, the flower petals are edible. Now, I was reading up on this, and they said it tastes like cotton candy. So that's cool. It's a plus when you can eat the flower petals on your fruit tree and still eat the fruit when it's done producing. So I think that's really cool. They both bloom in July, and they both ripen in November. They're both hardy to 5 degrees. So you can plant these if you're in a colder zone than me. I'm in zone 8A. You can plant these up north. And the fruit size is like, I'll say a little bit smaller than a regular size pear. They're not the same size as pear. I don't think so. I never saw one online that was bigger than a pear. But about pear size or a little smaller. So you get a good size fruit from these. That's it, guys. I'm going to take these into the greenhouse. I'm not going to plant these in ground, even though I can because they're hardy to 5 degrees, but I'm just going to put them in the greenhouse, and springtime I could put them in a bigger pot. But that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys have a good day. Bye.